most memorable moment was being baptized at Clisso's Beach in Laie on December 7th, 1962. And another memorable memory is meeting my husband, who became a member of the church too, but he's not here this evening. So my maiden name is Simeona, and it became Okamura.
I wasn't a member, and I saw all these students and I go, boy, they're so different from the University of Hawaii kids, you know, with jersey shorts and the way they attended. And I go, oh, something is different. It's really weird, this bunch of students, you know. And then I see this guy. He's always surrounded by girls, a lot of blonde girls too. Yeah. And I go, wow, that's a good-looking guy, you know. So my most memorable moment was, you know, just becoming a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and ended up, he baptized me.
I was born in the church, but not raised in the church. So my freshman year at Church College of Hawaii was very strange to me. When I was on campus, I had a grant to, it was an academic athletic grant. And my first Sunday, I put on my Converse, I had my shorts, my t-shirt, I had a basketball. So I dribbled down from Holly 3, Joel Quinn was my dorm parent. I dribbled down, and I looked around, and everybody looking at me on Sunday. Guys with their beautiful suits and ties, girls with their beautiful dresses. Look at me and said, well, you know, coming from the Big Island, I said, what are you guys looking at me for, you know? So I go down to the gym. I wanted to go shoot baskets. And I found out the gym was locked. So I had to go back to my, my dorm. Jimmy Dumigran, Raymond Cooley, James Hallstrom, Norm Kaleo-Kalani. They were all my roommates. And they were trying to get me to go to church. This was in September. You know, they, come on, let's go, let's go. No, no, you guys go, you guys go. I stayed home on Sundays. I went to the cafeteria. Leonard Beck, you guys know him? Yeah. He was my favorite partner. Come on, Wilfred, let's go to the cafeteria. I'm hungry. All right, Leonard, let's go. You know. Then the surprising thing, it was in November, and I never did go to a church. Finally, one November was really raining. Something said, okay, it's time for you to go. I think from that moment, my free agency, you know, I said, okay, this is the moment. I think to me, there was a defining moment at the Church College of Hawaii when I decided to go to church because I felt the Spirit.